Yo, what's up, y'all? Dave here, Saylor Innovations, Card Cash. Y'all know me. If you don't know me, my name is Dave Saylor. I run a tech business, Harlan, Kentucky. I brought it home because here's where my ripples make the most waves, and I can bridge the most gaps here. Plus, I grew up here. Everybody knows me. What we're doing today here is changing an iPhone 11 screen. Right? I'm gonna show y'all step by step how to do it. First step is the pin lobes right here, 2 of them. Every iPhone has it. iPhone 7 and up open like a book like this. So we'll open it like this. I'll show y'all how to do it. Just like this. Take a little spudger after you've done all that. Start at down here at the charge port and then work your way on the other side of it. Take your little spudger like this. And it opens up just like that. Alright. Good. Alright. Now, I've already disconnected the fucking shield and took it off of there, excuse my language. Alright. Battery removal is or disconnection is the first thing. So, we take that off and see. She let some idiot try to repair her phone like an idiot. I don't know who it was, but let's just hope that they didn't fuck it up. Okay? So, as you can see, some of the screws are missing. That's not good. But luckily I have replacements. And y'all, I can't stress this enough. You know, if you're not comfortable with your hands or comfortable with small, tedious work, don't fucking do this. I mean, take it to a professional, please. Don't try to do your own repair. This is for educational purposes only. Just because you watch my video does not mean you're ready to repair a phone, okay? Because let me tell you, I've got a very expensive education. I didn't go to no fancy school. I broke a lot of shit. So yeah, don't fucking be like me and break everything to get to where you are, because that's what I've done, okay? And one of the tri-wings is the security screw holding it there. That's exactly why he couldn't get any further on it, whoever was doing this, because he doesn't have one. I'm a professional, of course I have one. That's just a little tiny baby screw right there. You can barely even see it. Okay, now, I've done the repair on this phone once before, and it was actually pristine whenever I gave it back to her. But she's let some geeterhead, obviously, try to fix it there, and has they didn't destroy it, but they definitely lost some pieces to it. Let's see what we got here. iPhone 11. I like to see. That's what this is here. iPhone 11 screen replacement. We'll do that really quickly and see where we're at. Okay. Make sure you're super careful with the front camera flex. That's what this is, because if you break this, your Face ID is married to it. That means you'll never get another one. It's gone forever, okay? Also, I like to go around the phone more to replace the waterproof seal, and I'll show you all about that in a minute. But, see, there's the inlay insert. Notice the microphone is stuck to it. That's what you want, actually.
Where's the bathroom at?
It's all the way in the back, straight back. Anyway, just take the microphone out right there with your tweezers, and now you've disengaged that. Now before you put this on, you want to make sure to remove all of the blue ribbon cables, or the blue crap off of the screen here. Just like so. Okay, there's that. Really shouldn't have pulled that up. I don't know why I pulled that up, but okay. Let's see if we can put that back, because that shouldn't have came up. It's not gonna hurt the screen or nothing. It's just like a buffer. Screw it, it's gonna be fine. I probably shouldn't have took that off. If I knew it was gonna come up like that, I wouldn't have. It shouldn't come up like that, but that's okay. Wheel fixer. Good. Now, they've lost all the screws to it. I didn't know that somebody else had tried to work on this. That's terrible. There's that. Now this. I probably got a couple other screws here I can find for it. In fact, I may take a little short break and see if I can locate them, okay? Until then, I'm just using the furthest most screw hole for that right here. Let's hope they've not destroyed the ribbon cables, okay? But I will return and I'll see about what I can do about finding the screws. All you gotta do whenever you go back is replace the front camera flex and the 2 ribbons here, and that's it. But I'm gonna see what I can do about finding some screws, and I'll get back at y'all. Dave here, Saylor Innovations, out.